Welcome to the SOWIT mobile app. After opening the app, you will be asked to select the language of your choice. Now you can discover the different functionalities that the app offers. Our app provides you with some great free features that you can enjoy without limits. Get access to regular agronomist recommendations to characterize the health status and intervene timely and locally on your plot. Receive for every stage the nitrogen needs and distribution on your plot at every stage of your fertilization. Get an irrigation recommendation for the next 7 days based on the most recent weather forecasts and water stress levels. Receive frequent maps of the dry matter distribution on your plot and organize your harvest at the best time. Inspect your plots regularly based on the inspection itinerary you assign to your team. While using the app in guest mode, you will have access to a great free feature, which is real-time processing. All you have to do is select the desired plot and the date, and you will immediately see a real-time visualization of the health of the vegetation and phytosanitary state of the plot. As you can see, it's very easy to access different dates, months, and years so that you can check the history of your plot and its progress. Not only this, there is more. Real-time processing also allows you to get an accurate representation of the water stress of your vegetation in real time. I know what you're thinking. You're probably wondering about weather conditions, and we've got you covered. Now you can access the weather forecast precisely for your plot, including temperature, rainfall, humidity, and wind speed, anytime, anywhere. And all of this for free.